I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to unfriend someone on Facebook using the Facebook mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Over time, your list of Facebook friends can grow to ridiculous proportions. You may even find yourself not even remembering who some people are or why you're friends with them in the first place. No matter the reason, if you get to the point where you need to thin out your list of Facebook friends, you can easily do that using the Facebook mobile app. Now let's walk through the steps to unfriend someone on Facebook using the Facebook mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app and then tap the menu icon on your Facebook home screen. Your Facebook menu screen is shown. Step 2. Tap Friends in this menu. The Friends screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap Your Friends on this screen. The Your Friends screen is shown, displaying a list of all of the friends you have on Facebook. Step 4. Find the person you want to unfriend on Facebook and then tap that person's name to open their Facebook profile. Step 5. Tap Friends. A menu pops up. Step 6. Tap Unfriend in this menu. A window is displayed asking if you want to remove this person as a Facebook friend. Step 7. Tap OK. After a few seconds, you'll see the button that previously said Friends change to say Add Friend. You'll no longer be friends with this person on Facebook. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.